Hey, if you want to set image as a watch face on your Redmi Watch 3 Active, first of all you have to move into your Mi Fitness application. From here you have to go to the device, select your watch and select to manage watch faces. So click right here and then go into the custom watch faces. From here select one of the album. For example, I'm gonna do this with the album second. Now tap to pick custom photo. And let's say that I'm going to take something from the screenshots, like this one. Now we can set this preview to our preferences. So let's say that I want to get this part of the photo, then click continue, and then tap apply. And now it is installing this update into our smartwatch. And as you can see, in my case, there's not enough space on the device because I have few custom watch faces on my device, so that's the reason. But if you are trying to set it up for the first time, you will have this information that it was set up successfully. And that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.